could do this, but that place used to be blocked off. So, no, I'll point it for you. This area used to be blocked off, but now it's open, so let's go through it. Oh. Also, we might get in trouble for doing this. Paddy, get over here. But we won't, because no one is on guard right now. I mean, no one's on duty right now. I mean, this is a museum. I don't mean it's like one of those prisons, like maybe 51. Paddy, get over there. It's electric, you little. Come on.
You'll be Peking duck in no time.
Paddy, over here. Now. Do not stop the video. What I want to do is start a vlog, and let's go this way. I will show you. Am I allowed to show our house? I mean, we can just blow it out. We can just edit the video to blow it out. Do not